أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. يا أيها الذين آمنوا اتقوا الله ولتنظر نفس ما قدمت لغد واتقوا الله إن الله خبير بما تعملون. ولا تكونوا كالذين نسوا الله فانساهم أنفسهم أولئك هم الفاسقون. لا يستوي أصحاب النار وأصحاب الجنة أصحاب الجنة هم الفائزون. لو أنزلنا هذا القرآن على جبل لرأيته خاشعا متصدعا من خشية الله. وتلك الأمثال نضربها للناس لعلهم يتفكرون. هو الله الذي لا إله إلا هو عالم الغيب والشهادة هو الرحمن الرحيم. هو الله الذي لا إله إلا هو الملك القدوس السلام المؤمن المهيمن العزيز الجبار المتكبر سبحان الله عما يشركون. هو الله الخالق البارئ المصور له الأسماء الحسنى يسبح له ما في السماوات والأرض وهو العزيز الحكيم.
O you who believe, fear Allah and keep your duty to Him, and let every person look to what He has sent forth for the morrow and fear Allah. Verily, Allah is all aware of what you do. And be ye not like those who forgot Allah, and He made them forget their own souls. Such are the rebellious transgressors. Not equal are the companions of the fire and the companions of the garden. It is the companions of the garden that will achieve felicity. Had we sent down this Quran on a mountain, verily, thou wouldst have seen it humble itself and cleave asunder for fear of Allah. Such are the similitudes which we propound to men that they may reflect. Allah is He, than whom there is no other God, who knows all things, both secret and open, He, most gracious, most merciful. Allah is He, than whom there is no other God, the Sovereign, the Holy One, the source of peace and perfection, the guardian of faith, the preserver of safety, the exalted in might, the irresistible, the supreme. Glory to Allah. High is He above the partners they attribute to Him. He is Allah, the Creator, the Evolver, the Bestower of forms, or colors. To Him belong the most beautiful names. Whatever is in the heavens and on earth doth declare His praises and glory, and He is the exalted in might, the wise. This Quran guides to that which is most upright and gives glad tidings to the believers who do righteous deeds that they will have a great reward.